Yeah, these glasses have definitely seen better days. I don't know if you can see, but the lenses are all scratched. I'm not really keeping good care of them. I'm just putting in my pocket like that, and the lenses are destroyed. So I bought these glasses are Arnette, and I didn't find the real Arnette replacement lenses, so I bought something called Fuse, and these guys are actually claiming that the lenses are much better than the original, and they have this something called Fuse Plus, which is supposedly coated with something that is completely scratch resistant, and they give it some kind of warranty. I think it's, can't remember if it was like a 2-year warranty or whatever. They give it against anything, even if I destroy them on my own. There is kind of nice bag for the glasses with the lens pocket. Let's see how the lenses look out. Wow, that's red opposed to the old blue. So let's see. So, magic, how to replace the lenses. I was a little bit worried. I was reading a little bit from internet, and similarly this is how you do. Now they look like old Finnish president's glasses, Kekkonen. Okay. Supposedly, that's the wrong one. We put them back the same way. Next. Yeah, of course, full of fingerprints. Hello. Full of fingerprints, but no scratches. And if I get what I paid for, there should never be that kind of scratching anymore in the glasses. They look cool. Perfect. In the other box I bought just the replacement, as the postage was so expensive that it made sense to buy 2 sets, because I needed to pay all the customs and all the shit. The other ones are blue like the old one, but these are not coated, these are just normal ones. But this is to put them back to the more to the original state if I want. Okay, so that's it. Job done.